Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, an other Android smartphone, and today I'm going to show you how you can send your call logs or call history from this Android phone to your Galaxy S21 Plus. So at the first, on the both smartphones, we have to get this application, Smart Switch. On the Samsung smartphone you will get it probably as a default, so you don't even have to download this application, but on the other smartphone you have to get it from the Play Store. So if you download this application, we have to open it on the both smartphones. On the Android phone we have to click Let's Go and choose wireless connection. Here we don't have even to tap on the receive data, it will synchronize automatically. Right now they are connecting, we have to tap accept. And right now they are pairing, so we have to wait. And as you can see right now we have to tap right here and unselect all stuff. And right now if you want to send the call logs and the contacts, you have to tap right here. But of course you can make it on the other way, you have to click on this arrow and then you can easily choose whatever you want to send. So we can send all the contacts, but we are going to focus only on the call history, so we are only select the call log, right? So click down, then scroll down, tap to transfer. As you can see it's finished, and right now when you go for the dialer right here and go for the recents, we can find all of this history. Wait, it's just some kind of debug. Let's open it one more time. And that's how we can send the call history, as you can see, from the Android phone to our Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!